breakthrough happens when we think beyond what's currently available. At NobelClad, we partner with engineers like you to rethink metal and advance the possibilities in your industry. We've worked alongside some of the world's most innovative companies to develop multi-metal solutions that solve some of their toughest engineering challenges. Imagine what we could do together. Single metals have certain limitations that make it hard to overcome design challenges, but joining metals improves its performance by capitalizing on each material's characteristics. Combining dissimilar metals for intricate designs is a delicate art form, one we've been pioneering throughout our history, starting with explosion welding more than 60 years ago. As our industry evolves with innovations like additive manufacturing, we support engineering breakthroughs for our customers by reimagining the materials available for design and engineering. Together, we identify the material characteristics your project needs and develop the bonding technique to create that multi-metal solution. Let's explore the possibilities of multi-metals and continue leading your industry forward. NobelClad, creating bonds that last.